We have all of our ingredients out. We're going to show you guys how we make it. We're still vegans, going strong. This is day number 2. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's Adam and Henderson, the YouTube channel. Today we are making vegan steak and pasta. All right, we have all of our ingredients out. We're gonna show you guys how we make it. We're still vegans, going strong. This is day number 2. The last video we did vegan nachos, and that was the truth. So today we're gonna kind of spice it up with all of our ingredients. Shout out to Queen Mother, who is here with me once again.
You're welcome.
Love you. I'm trying to stay a little distance from her because she already took her shower. We finished working out today. So she took her shower and I didn't yet. So she was getting on me and she said, do you have to have your arm around me?
I'm playing you now.
So what ingredients do we have today, Queen Mother?
Once again, we have our Light Life Crumbles that we're going to use to make our steak. To season it, we're going to use some liquid amino, hickory smoke, basil leaves, a very little bit of Abobo, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, Italian ring. Okay?
Seasoning queen.
And then also in the same pan as our burgers, I'm going to put in some peppers and onion, some white onion, some white mushrooms in the pan with it as well.
Okay.
Instead of pasta, we're actually going to use some zucchini noodles as a healthier option. Of course, we had those nachos last night, so we're going to go a little lighter tonight.
A little lighter.
With our zucchini noodles, we're going to add in some petite diced tomatoes.
Sure.
That's it for that. For our sauce, for our pasta and our steak, we're going to make kind of like a Parmesan cheesy sauce, so to speak. Using cashew milk yogurt, vegan Parmesan shreds.
We're endorsed by Whole Foods.
And we're going to mix it up. And I must tell y'all, last night, the vegan homemade nacho cheese sauce was phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Per usual, I'll put all of the ingredients in the description so you won't be left alone. Alright? So try it out. We're going to show you how we cook it. Let's get started, saints.
Alright, honey, if you don't mind,
yes,
while I'm mixing up our steak meat, can you put the zucchini noodles in the pan?
Okay.
So we're adding in about a tablespoon of the liquid smoke, maybe a little bit more, and a tablespoon of the liquid amino, some garlic powder, as much as you want, some onion powder, as much as you want, salt free, remember.
As much as you want.
And basil leaves. I'm really starting to love the flavor of basil leaves. Yes. And we have some Italian medley blend that we're adding in as well. And a little bit of black pepper. Break it apart. And because we're making steak, a little bit of A1 steak sauce.
That's vegan.
Break it up, break it up. And I'm noticing it's not holding or mixing, so I'm going to add in some breadcrumbs and hopefully that'll help. But as you can see, that's not really working too well. I should have gotten the different Light Life mixture.
So she put the mushrooms and the onions, and she will put the bell peppers in the pan to saute them up.
With a little bit of grapeseed oil that's already in the pan, warming up for us.
I'm on the right side of her putting in the tomatoes for the zucchini pasta. So good.
He seasoned that with some rosemary garlic that I'm also using to season the vegetables in the pan.
After that, she's putting in the meat crumbles.
And we're just going to saute it all together. Look at him stirring it up. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up.
You know, one thing I love about cooking and doing these segments is cooking with my wife. It's just so much fun. She's teaching me how to cook and regulating every move that I make. But I appreciate just the opportunity that we're spending time together. We're making moments that matter.
Very true.
Let's get back to cooking. So as you can see, she is doing her crumbles, and the zucchini and tomatoes is done. It's just sitting there. And then next up, we're going to make our sauce, and then everything should be complete, correct?
Yep. So for our Parmesan cheese sauce, we're going to add in the rest of our cashew milk, unsweetened plain yogurt into the pot. And then we're going to use majority of our Follow Your Heart Parmesan shreds.
Follow your heart.
Yes, follow your heart, baby.
What a nice.
Adding a little bit of adobo.
Just a pinch, y'all.
Just a pinch, because you know it's salt, whatever. Salt seasoning. Or contains salt. That's a salt-free garlic and herb blend by Mrs. Dash. Just to help with the flavor. And a tad bit of black pepper. And you're just going to keep stirring it up so you can get that nice saucy consistency. And you want to make sure your cheese shreds melt in there too.
This sauce is amazing.
Yeah, stir it really good so it doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan.
Perfect. Come to the table. It's time to eat.
Come to the table.
Wash your hands. Come to the table. That's how my mother-in-law used to say, come to the... They used to have dinners all the time when we used to live in the house. And I always had company over. And so her mom would yell from the kitchen. Imagine a nice old, good old conservative Christian woman standing over the stove or the sink, whichever one. And finally, when everything's done, she says, come to the table! Wash your hands! And then we get to the table and we sit there for a good 20 minutes still waiting for stuff to come to the actual table. I'm just saying. Don't look at me like it ain't true.
I mean, whatever. So we got some little zucchini pasta here.
So we have the meat on top of the pasta. I think that's good, don't you think? And then lastly, she made this awesome sauce.
Kind of like a Parmesan cheese sauce, I guess.
Set it on top. Y'all look! Look! Oh, you see that?
Honey,
This is good.
we are doing the daggone thing. You hear me?
How was your day?
Well, since the quarantine, we've been spending a whole lot of extra time together. So you know how my days been.
Fun time. And once quarantine is over and we get back to work, we're still gonna be spending time together. Y'all, vegan steak pasta. Vegan beef pasta.
Spaghetti with Alfredo sauce, like vegan Alfredo sauce.
How about vegan spaghetti?
With Alfredo sauce. Well, with Parmesan cheese sauce. It's really good, y'all. It really is. Just put vegan steak pasta fail. But it's funny though, because we made a different dish.
We'll do it. Vegan steak pasta. Y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I love you for it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and help us reach the masses. One last thing, don't forget to give someone a hug, tell someone you love them, and tell them how much you care. Because you never know, it might be the only time they'll hear it. Alright, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.